What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NEO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So whenever I do a NEO video, it's like one of my most disliked videos, and most of the dislikes are just like maybe 4 or 5, so it's not even that much. But it's kind of funny how you can state reality and people will never face it, right? I mean, this stock has been dropping for quite a long time, right? Since January of 2021. So next year, January, is going to be 4 years of a bear market, and people still think there's hope in this stock. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't. But you never want to be attached to things, right? You have to let go of the attachment. I care about which stock is going up, or which stock is going to be making me money, earning me money. I don't care what it is. It could be named blah blah blah, right? The company. I don't care what it is, as long as it's doing what I want it to do, right? If it's not doing what I want it to do, then you drop it, right? Don't have this attachment. Oh, I like Neo. I like how it's 3-letter company. I like how it's Chinese or what. It doesn't matter. You can't have this emotional attachment to these stocks. Anyway, this is about technical analysis. So let's get the show on the road. Basically, since last week, Friday, when I looked at it, price was trading right around the $5 level, the low $5 level. It broke that support level. Why? Because price was signaling it was going to do that, right? Because look at price hit this level, it went up all the way up to the $6 level, came back down, hit the level, only went up to the $5.30 level. So there's lack of follow through by the bulls, right? There's lack of conviction off of this level. They just keep on giving up, right? The bulls are like, okay, well, I already bought enough now, and now it came back down to the same level again. Okay, I'll buy a little bit more, and then now they're like, okay, I'm just gonna get out of my position or something. So basically, lack of conviction by the bulls. Price is still below this long-term downtrend or the short-term downtrend, and it's headed toward this measure move target of 333. So don't be surprised to see sub $4 level for Neo. It looks like we're coming back down to the support. Maybe we get a triple bottom. Maybe we get one bounce, two, and then maybe three. Maybe we get triple bottom and reverse. But as right now, short-term bias is down. We did see a breakout of this level, so don't be surprised to see maybe price come back to it, or maybe even get back above it, right? But overall, I mean, there's a lot of upward resistance in the way for NEO. The first one would be the short-term downtrend line. The next one would be the $5 level, which was prior support that can turn into resistance. The next one would be the $6 level, because look, it's resistance here. Price had a failed breakout here, resistance here. So again, resistance. This long-term trend line, that's been going on for a while now. So overall, chart is bearish. I'm looking for new 52-week lows for NEO. Earnings report is coming out, but I mean, like, is that going to reverse the stock from one report? No, it didn't do it over here when price, when earnings was green. Like, it barely met the earnings, and price did rally pretty strongly, but this was just a pullback, right? It's just a pullback. It wasn't a reversal. It could have been a reversal. It's easier. It could have been, right? We don't know for sure, but once it did not break above that 720 level and stay above it and that downward trend line, it was game over, right? And the price resumed lower. So the market, I mean, you can't go against the market, right? Again, the market is reality. Imagine this stock in a room filled with millions of people buying and selling, right? The market, most of the people, or the biggest money, they want to drop the price, right? They don't want to buy right now. They don't want to sell the price. They want to sell the stock. So why are you going against the big money that agrees that it doesn't matter fundamentally, right? They choose what they want to do, right? So the market chooses what the price is, right? At the end of the day, it's not price controlled. Oh, NEO should be $20 and it can't go below it. No, this is what the market agrees that is fair value for the stock as of right now. So if fair value is 446, maybe in the future it will change, but the technicals tell me that's not likely as of right now, right? It's still looking very weak. This is just telling me the market participants' psychology, right? It's telling me the buying and selling pressure. It's telling me that buyers don't have conviction, right? They're giving up the support levels. They're not building on support. You want to see price go up, build support, go up, build support, go up, build support, continue to go up higher. So the buyers are giving up. So that's what basically is going on in the chart. Take a look at the weekly charts, and you can see that price has had 6 red weeks with the middle green week, just a little pause. But overall, it looks like it's dropping pretty harshly. A lot of times when price goes up quickly, it can go back down quickly. Market is sometimes symmetrical like that. Just like over here, it goes up quickly, goes down quickly. Same, it works in reverse as well. If it goes down quickly, like over here, it can go up quickly. So a lot of times you'll see these quick V patterns. So in this case, it looks like it's going down towards lower price levels. And again, if that doesn't hold at the 370, then the next would be right over here, pre 20 lower the early 2020 price levels, which is like sub $3, and that would be like $2 and maybe even $1.50. So that's the prior low right here that could be targeted. So as right now, NEO is not done in this bear market. Bear markets can be brutal, right? Bear markets can be brutal. You have to wait for trend reversal signs, and that would be a break above the long-term trend line, a break above the long-term trend lines, a break above critical support, a break above critical resistance that was prior support. So until then, I mean, most likely the odds are, and the big money will continue to drop down the price. So all I have for NEO on the daily weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.